Rachel Scheiman. I am the e-commerce manager for Exhart, a home and garden decor manufacturer in business for 30 years. I have been using Salsify for about 7 years over the course of 3 companies. So having one source of truth for all of our data has helped us keep consistency and reduce errors in our data with tools like governance and pick lists, and other tools like direct APIs and readiness reports help reduce time to market. Workflows facilitate collaborations amongst our teams to help us prepare items for publication. Having the multi-dimensional capabilities of Salsify have allowed us to be more impactful in our offerings and how we share data from conception of a product all the way through production without having to add resources. Having the one source of truth of Salsify and tools like templated exports allow us for swift and accurate analysis to facilitate processes like quoting and pricing with precision. Dynamic catalogs allow our sales team to effectively showcase products in a single streamlined interaction. We've reduced our go-to-market time by months. We can create new products and gather data quickly and analyze the products for e-commerce or brick and mortar to put them into catalogs and presentations. We're able to complete customer forms and create new catalogs in minutes, and all of this has allowed us to grow new categories in months instead of years.